Hi, hello, and welcome to a note pickup tutorial in, I said that word, a note pickup tutorial in Unreal Engine 4, Unreal Engine 4, and at the end you should get something like this. No, not like that. Give me a second, wait a sec. Alright, you should get something like, wait a second. Something like this. You should have something like this with sound. Now I've already made it. I'm gonna walk your way through on how I did it. Okay. First, type in event receive draw HUD. This is the backbone. Don't have this, nothing will show up. This is like the first thing. You can only have one thing, one of these in. Or if I show you event receive draw HUD, it won't let you have another one. Okay, so event receive draw HUD, and then first type in the texture. Forget about anything else on the screen right now. Actually don't. First get the draw texture, and whatever item you choose, supposedly a note, you have to put the texture here and then pick it. Now you don't have to do anything with it. It will work as soon as you import it in. And another important thing is nothing will show up if this isn't 1-1. If this isn't 1-1, then nothing will show up. And I mean by that is if you go into the note, the basic first note, 0.0 will be its default, and it will just show this corner. This corner 0.0 to 0.0. 1-1 is the other corner, so it is showing like all of this, all of it. Whatever you say on it, it will do it. Now, to get it to actually view here, you right click on this, press sprite, create sprite, and then drag it in, and you can do whatever you want with it. I've already done that, so I don't need two in. So, the note on the table, note HUD, gate, branch, and then you notice that this isn't here yet. Okay, and we've got to make this. So, right click, it's trying to autosave, just stop that for a second. Right click, blueprint interface, click, and then you will get straight to this. Straight to this. Now this is going to be the second most important thing. It's going to be a boolean. That's about it. That's everything you have to do with that for the moment. Next, go into open level blueprints. Now this is where in the level it will show. So you have to get a trigger box, put it around, sort of around the note as you do. Right click, press on act to begin overlap. Don't need to do this yet. Enable input, and then show text. This is the interface that we just made. It's called show text because it was going to be text, but then I made it a note in the end. You could call it show note or something like that. Next, get player controller and get HUD. Link all of this up how I've done this right now. Blue to blue, blue to blue, blue to blue. And then you have to tick this to make it show text when it happens. Now, we don't want it to be on the screen forever. So go to here, on act to end overlap on the same trigger box. Disable input instead of enable input. And then show text and then untick this. And that is basically how to make the note show up. And all of this you pretty much just type it in. I mean, you just type in show text and show text message, and then that will come up as that, and there we go, it's there. Okay, but a simple note's just boring. There's nothing fun about it. It's just there. It'll pop up on the screen. So we wanted to have some sound, like I've done right here. So get your note pickup sound. Anything you can get, literally anything. You could get a microphone and scrumple a bit of paper up. It'll work like that as long as it's a WAV file or wave or whatever it's called. Then it will work. So drag that in. Right click on it, create queue. Drag the queue in here. Now it won't look like that for you. For you are underneath attention override, sorry, it will be like really big, and you'll be able to hear it on level load wherever you are. It'll just be like bad. So shrink this down by moving the fall off distance and the radius, and then have it around like how I've done it right here. Okay, now next we have to go into level blueprints. Mine's down here on Act to Begin overlap on a different trigger box, and then play. Well, first you have to drag this out, then type play. It won't work if you just type in play. You've got to drag in the queue, so just literally drag it from here into the blueprints, and then that's it. It will play when you're in the trigger box. You won't hear it anywhere else. This, you can put this here if it doesn't work for you. It did work for me. I just haven't deleted this just in case. And then just change the object to sound, and there we have it. That's a note pickup. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you had any problems, then post it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer it if someone else hasn't already answered it for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out my main channel, which is a gaming channel called The Home of the Tortoise. It may be in the description. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.